Hello everyone, this is Renee from Carnivore, wishing you a good day. I just thought I'd run past real quick how to make some hard-boiled eggs in case you would like some on this carnivore diet journey that we're on. First things first, you want to bring that water in a small pan up to a boil, a rapid boil, and then slowly lower each one of your raw eggs into the water. So hopefully neither of them will crack on you. And then set your timer for 6 or 7 minutes. Let those eggs cook in that rapid boiling water for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then once they're done, remove them from the heat and rinse them in the pan under some cold water to get them to quick cooking. Once you've done that, you simply crack the shells, remove the shells, and that's it. They're ready to enjoy. Have a good day, folks.